Ching ching. What are you looking, my love? What are you looking?
Like, where's the
A plate over here, there.
in here? No.
Maybe here.
No.
This is my cousin's house, so we're stranger here. But she trusted her kitchen for us. But what's my grammar? She trusts her kitchen to us. Help guys, tabang. So this is the coffee machine, but I don't know how to use it. Maybe one day I could learn some. Native coffee. That's Jipoy's favorite. I don't know how to cook egg, no? But I only eat egg. You're looking for the ano, babe? Here, oh. Ah, the seasoning.
Yeah, where's the salt? Oh, salt's there, pepper's there. Yep, no, that's it.
Using for the ano, what's this? The luwag. Here, oh, luwag, bibo. Luwag ba, luwag? There in the tong.
Luag.
Oh, luwag. The luwag in the tong. Guys, itutur ko kayo sa isda. Ito po ang kanilang isda. Kapag, ano guys, kapag walang ulam, kukuha lang kami dito, oh. Ayan, masarap ito. Ayan. Dito tayo sa kanilang sopa. Ang oras po ngayon dito ay 12:48 tsaka maulan ngayon. Kamusta na kaya siya doon? That's his steak. Tingnan nga natin magkano ito. Wow, this is grass-fed, gali, babe? Wow. The wrap really special, no? Double wrap. It's raining outside, so let's see their swimming pool. Ta-da! So beautiful. Ayan. Grabe. Wala talagang marites talaga dito. Tingnan nga natin. Tingnan tayo sa labas. Meron silang ano, ayan, fishing rod. Ready for grabbing the fish. I think Michael is here. See that, guys, it's raining. Hi, Michael. Do you need umbrella?
No.
The door is ready for you. It's open. You had wine and
presents.
Easter egg.
Presents.
Wow, thank you for the present.
Kimmy, your air conditioning's on in your car. Oh, I'm not sure where she is.
It's on, she opened it because I left my